Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the best free AI tools to create AI videos, images, and even music. So most free AI tools have limits, but today I'll show you how you can generate content with no limits and how you can troubleshoot if something goes wrong. So start with a free AI video tool like CapCut, or you can also use Canva, InVideo, or others. And you can just upload an image or type your prompt. Here in CapCut, I'm using on PC. You can just click on the media and tap on AI media in here. And you can just type your prompt and then let the AI animate it into a short video. So for example, I'm going to video car of a yellow. I'm going to just go with this, and here you can adjust the aspect ratio and tap on generate. Click on low, and you can just wait until the video is created. And for images, you can also use other tools like maybe Canva, because it will allow you to create image from prompts. Okay, so here is the result for my prompt in here, and here you can okay, so if this is the image, and if you want to go see the video, you can click on the video options in here. And to add sound, you can just use an AI music generator, or you can also just go to audio in here and add the musics that you like. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.